My name is Aaron, and we are going to give you a series of videos for repair, replacement of plumbing products, both for professional and do-it-yourselfers. We would like to start these videos with definitions of different types of faucets. Typically, the faucets are a laundry faucet, kitchen faucet, bathroom faucet, bathroom going sink. Into the kitchen, you have two handle with and without spray. You have a single handle with and without spray. You have a single handle with a pull-out spray. And then into the laundry, you have a bottom feed, top feed. And these terms are very important to get the proper faucet for you. Then in the tub and shower, you have a single handle. You have a two-handle 6-inch spread. You have a two-handle 8-inch spread. You have a two-handle 11-inch spread. You have a three-handle 8-inch and 11-inch spread. See you in the next video.